Hello, we the people. I'm Judge Patricia McCullough, and I'm running for the Pennsylvania Supreme Court. The Pennsylvania, the birthplace of the one nation under God. In this time of constitutional crisis, I'll give you 3 reasons why I'm running. 1 is experience. I'm the only judge who has served as an appellate court judge for over 12 years. I've served on the Commonwealth Court, a privilege to serve you. I have also served as a trial court judge when I was appointed by the governor and the unanimous consent of the state senate in 2005 to the Allegheny County Court of Common Pleas. And I was a practicing attorney for 25 years in the private, corporate, and government sectors. Because of my experience in handling the complex matters and upholding your constitutional rights, I am ready to hit the ground running on day 1 in the Pennsylvania Supreme Court. The second reason, we need someone who has the courage and conviction to uphold the Constitution the way that it's written. I've been threatened. I've been subject to false, malicious, political, and personal attack ads. The cost can be high, but the cost of losing our sacred rights as a nation is much higher. So I have, even just last year, upheld the Second Amendment 4 times. I've protected election integrity. I also upheld the rights of healthcare workers to choose to wear a mask, and when they're fired for doing that instead of taking a vaccine, not to lose their unemployment comp benefits. And I was the only judge in 2020 to order the governor to stop certifying the presidential and congressional election due to the mail-in ballot law. The third reason is that we need someone who's willing to take a stand for the people. I refused the 2005 controversial pay raise. I've given back $10,000 plus to the state treasury in lieu of that pay raise. And now I'm giving the money to the programs that I help to improve our system of justice for veterans, drug addiction, youth at risk, those battling abuse, human trafficking, and more. And I don't take money from lawyers and lobbyists when I run. The only things in my courtroom are the Constitution, the law, and the parties seeking justice. You have to vote like your future depends on it, because it does. The lives of our children and our children's children are on the line. They are at stake in this election. Please join me in continuing to uphold our constitutional rights by electing me to the Supreme Court. Let's keep our nation strong, a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. God bless you, and thank you.
Paid for by Judge McCullough for Supreme Court.